a tyrannical grasshopper with a history of oppressive actions against the ant colony. He is responsible for numerous crimes, including slavery, forcing the ants to gather food for his grasshopper gang under threat of violence; abuse of power, using his position as leader to control and intimidate the ants and even his own followers; terrorism, instilling fear and terror in the ant colony to maintain his dominance and ensure they comply with his demands; psychological abuse. He constantly belittles the ants, particularly Flick and Princess Ada, using insults and threats to maintain control; assault and battery. He physically harms both ants and his own gang members, like when he buries 3 grasshoppers under grain for questioning him; starvation. By demanding excessive amounts of food, particularly during the rainy season, Hopper risks the ants' survival; murder. He murders 3 of his own henchmen, Axel and Loco, and another grasshopper just to make a point; breaking and entering. He invades Ant Island with his gang and takes over when the ants don't meet his demands; attempted usurpation. Hopper plots to assassinate the Queen of Ant Island to gain complete control. Flick and the ants build the fake bird out of sticks, an acorn, and autumn leaves, all patched together with spider webs. It's designed to look like a bird, a natural predator of insects, and is used to scare away the grasshoppers. The ants launch the fake bird to frighten the grasshoppers. However, P.T. Flea, mistaking it for a real bird, accidentally sets it on fire with his flaming death act, exposing the deception to the grasshoppers. This leads to a confrontation, and ultimately the demise of Hopper by the real bird. A battle ensued between the ants and the grasshoppers, during which Flick delivered an inspiring speech, reminding the ants of their strength in numbers and causing Hopper to lose control of his minions. Hopper, determined to take revenge, captured Flick and flew off with him. However, Princess Ada bravely chased after them and rescued Flick. Together, they lured Hopper to a real bird's nest.
No matter what happens, stay down!
Flick, no! What are you doing?
Hopper!
You think it's over?
No, I can explain!
All your little stunt did was buy them time!
No, please, Hopper!
I'll get more grasshoppers and be back next season, but you won't. Well, what's this? Another one of your little bird tricks?
Yep.
Are there a bunch of little girls in this one, too? Hello, girls!
Later that morning, the babies from the nest were ready to fly. As soon as they left, a group of investigators took a look around the nest. This was the only remain of Hopper they could find.